Hey y'all, good morning. Ain't got nothing really spectacular shoot today. Me and old Sarge heading up here to take him over to the vet. I think he knows where he's going. But we got to get him his shots and everything. I try to stay up to date on all his shots, and I'm an advocate for that. There's no point in having an animal and not being able to take him up to the vet and get his proper shots and everything. But anyway, I figured I'd share that with y'all, and we're going to take him up and let the pretty girls do his hair. So, alright, we'll get back to y'all in a minute. Okay, come on. Riding my tail? What's wrong with you, fool? That's what the other lane's for. That right, boy? Bunch of darn fool idiots. Yeah! You know where you're going, don't you, boy? See? You can go see the puppies. See, he's bringing his puppy in too. Doggy day. Let's go see the ladies. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hey guys, we just dropped Sarge off. Get his little haircut thing going on and a little wash and rinse. So we're off to the Home Depot. We got a few little projects to do today. Got a little plumbing trouble at home, and you know, the gate's screwed up. Typical homeowner stuff. Never ends, never ends. But let's get after it, and we'll get you some video here in a minute. All right, guys. Everybody in a great big hurry today. Welcome to the Home Depot. Look, they took down the Kentucky part of it. Huh. That's something. Home Depot, lady. Alright guys, let's go in here. Okay guys, just got back from the Home Depot, and we got Sarge over at the groomers, so figured I'd take care of a little around the house stuff today. I went out and I got one of these 30-inch protective grills for your outside door here, for your screen door. That way your Sarge can't, you know, claw the screen and tear it all to heck. So, but anyway, I'm gonna put a new one on here. This one's all rusted out and nasty, so she wanted a new one, so that's what we're gonna do. Alright guys. Alright. Take a little bit of this eraser. Clean it up a little bit. There we go. A little bit of rust off there. Ain't rocket science. Ain't got to be perfect either. I'm eventually going to put steel doors back here, but this will do for now. Wait a minute. I'm going to try to fix the gate. Get on, guys. All right. Okay, guys, project 1 complete. Close enough. Alright, so looks like better. Hey y'all, this is going to be project number 2, just another real quick one. Built this fence probably about, I don't know, 25 years ago, and it's not one of those sectional fences. I actually you know, frame all this myself, and if something goes bad, you know, I'll just pop something loose and I'll dig up the post and pull it out with my truck, and then I'll repost it and yada yada yada. It's never in the story with a wooden fence. You know, I wish I'd actually put steel post all the way around it, but it is what it is. But today kind of rigged this a while back, and it's finally met its maker. So we're going to put on a new latch here, and we'll probably put on we may put on a new striker. I don't know. Depends how I feel, if I feel froggy or not. But as you can tell, this is broke. See? But anyway, I was going to share with y'all one of my old flyers here. Way back in the day, I had my own fence and deck company. It was called Rawhide Fence Company, and we specialized in custom built treated wood fences, lawn accessories, custom built to your needs, yada yada yada. I was doing decks, but I really wasn't making a whole lot of money with the decks. I was actually with the fence. I could charge by the square foot, and you know, it is what it is, and it's less labor intensive too. Well, I won't say labor intensive. It's pretty much you can roll with it, if you know what I mean, if you've ever built a fence before. But there's my old logo, the Bronkin Buck here. But anyway, here's my latch here. We just got back from the depot, and I reckon I'll put this on real quick, and then I've got a few other items I wanted to share with y'all. Alright guys, let me get set up. I've got went out to Harbor Freight too, and I got me some of these magnetic nut driver doodahs, and I'm going to take that 1/2 inch right there, and we're going to take those bolts out. So heck, I can go ahead and get set up right now. Take my 1/2 inch puppy, insert that dude there, pop her into Makita, and let's take this dude out. Okay. Yeah, this thing's tore up from the floor up. Broke the weld on it. Alright guys. Take this puppy.
Get our bolts. Bought some longer bolts. They didn't have any galvies, so I might have to utilize those until I can get some galvies. But let's see what we got here, guys. Okay, guys, we're set up, so let's get after it. I drilled a little pilot hole in there. Hopefully she'll hit up here. There we go. Okay. Oh yeah, that feels a lot better. A lot better, guys. Alright, let's see if she's gonna hit this striker or not. That's a negative. So we'll replace this puppy too, guys, while we're at it. Where is my doodah? Of course it's on the bottom. We got a lot of rain and everything. Once this dries out a little bit, it'll shut perfectly. Okay, use Ray's new pen here. Good enough. Okay. Also a pilot hole here. Just to get her started. Nothing's perfectly square, guys. Especially at my homestead. grooviness. Might take a little bit off. Okay guys, we're going to pull out the Black & Decker, sand the fence down just a taste. Like I said, it's from, you know, from it getting wet and dry, wet and dry, wet and dry, it shrinks and expands, shrinks and expands. But this puppy right here will take good care of it. All right, let's get after it. Sand a little bit of that off. I think he's hitting right there too. Right there. See it? So what we'll do is we'll sand this puppy down. Okay guys, project 2 is almost complete. We ain't calling this redoing fences. This is the old term called mending fences. You mend fences, guys. You just keep them in working order. Then when it's time, I'll replace. I guess I'll lube this thing up real good. Wish I had another can of this fluid film. Hint, hint. Just playing, Steve, man. I appreciate you sending me this, man. Believe it or not, that vise looks exactly like the day I put this stuff on. But I've got just a little bit left, and I'm going to hold on to that sparingly till I can get me some. But broke out the silicone liquid wrench here. And what I'll do is I'll actually spray these hinges here real good. And me personally, I like to hear it go. That way it alerts Sarge, and when it alerts Sarge, it definitely alerts me, and then whoever's back here is in for a Missouri boat ride, if you understand what I'm saying. I went ahead and I've already lubricated that side. Listen to that now. We've got our new latch on. We've got our new striker on. Actually lubricated that too. Probably didn't need it, but never hurts. But let's see how she does. She's locked, guys. And I just take and I lock her up. But heck, I think that's pretty cool. We're good to go. Like I said, man, this ain't rebuilding fences. This is just mending fences. Okay, guys? All right, off to project number 3. We'll get Mom out here and check it out. Hey y'all, while I was out today I picked up a few extra little things. I used to have an old Fluke voltage tester, and she gave up the ghost. Heck, I had that thing since I started the trade. I've had it more than 20 years, and I never even put a battery in it. But anyway, I got this Klein here. I liked it. Ray's got one of these, so I went ahead and got me one of these. So let's check this puppy out. Damn, they don't want you getting this shit out, do they? Okay. Nifty little tool here. Let's see. How you turn the puppy off. Okay. Yeah, it's just got a little push button on it right there. So we got her on, and I guess the green light indicates she's on, and we should get a red light and an audible sound once she kicks. So let's try her out in here. Pretty neat. So I'll keep that dude in my visor and slip her in my pocket. I don't advise counting on these. Always test this on something that you know is hot. For instance, like a lamp, you see it burning, you can put it up against it. But I always use my voltmeter to do all my electrical testing. But you know, these are good tools. They have their place. But she's going to go right on my visor. All right, guys. Like I said, just doing a little bit of nitpicking today. All right.
Well, we'll have to shop around.
Yeah. Guys, I think my camera's getting ready to give up the ghost. Yeah. Yeah, I just didn't like the way that charged. Yeah. Most of them are probably going to be like that. But my lens won't open and shut on this one. I had to physically pull it out. I don't need no expensive camera. I wish I could find another one just like this one. I like the way it shoots. Yeah, well, I've had it since I started YouTube. No, I'm done. Okay. Reckon I'll do the next project on another clip, guys. I'm gonna do a little plumbing. Just a little plumbing. Like it?
Alright y'all, we're heading back to pick up my good old boy. Back here to the Fern Creek Pet Resort.
Really great place here.
This is where we boarded Sarge when Mom had her surgery. They were really good to him. Took him on little nature walks and whatnot. Got to play over in the playground. Alright guys, let's go in here and get him.
You just walk back here to get him. He should come darting out that door any moment.
There he is! What you doing, boy?
You ready to go home?
You home now, ain't you, boy?
Show him you can get on the table. Get on the table, boy.
Look at him. Look how good he is. He's just the best boy in the world. You get your little bandana off of you, though.